Hello there friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Frances and today we are unboxing these. To answer some questions, no, I did not go to D23. Paid for these on eBay, very exorbitant amounts. We don't want to talk about how much I paid for these. I will have a D23 haul coming up because one of my friends decided to be very kind and pick up some stuff for me in the lines that she was already waiting in, but she did not make it to Mickey's of Glendale. So I had to resort to eBay sellers for this, which is fine. These are the Muppets WDI Adorbs pins. If you don't know anything about them, these are like new series that WDI came out with. They're mystery boxes. There are 6 pins that are limited edition of 400, 4 chaser pins that are limited edition of 300, and 2 super chasers that are limited edition of 200. I commandeered 9 boxes of these. I don't want to talk about how much I paid for them. I want to complete the entire set, so without further ado, let's try our luck. Okay, so we got one of the ones that's not on the box for the first bag, so that's nice. This is one of the regular chasers. It is Sam Eagle. This was a good box. And then this was another one of the chasers. This is Ralph. Okay, can we talk about the back of this pin that I just realized? So it says the Muppet Studios exclusive limited edition of 300, and it's Kermit the Frog waffling. That is the first time I've ever seen that. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up on camera. Kermit the Frog waffling. So this box had 2 of the chaser pins, so that was really nice. So 2 down. It's a 12 pin set, so 10 more to go. This is not starting off good. This one does not feel like Ralph, so it is not. It's Camilla the chicken, which I believe, no, she's a regular one. So Camilla the chicken. This turns into wishables. I'm not going to be happy. This is Camilla the chicken. No, thank God. Kermit the Frog. Okay. I just want to complete this set. That's all I want in my life. We have Gonzo. He is regular, he's limited edition of 400. I think this is Pepe. I was right. Pepe. Another Pepe. New pin. We have Fozzie Bear, and he is going to be limited edition of 300. So far, I haven't gotten any of the super chasers, but I do have 7 pins, which is pretty good. Hopefully, I didn't just jinx myself. This might be Piggy. Nope, this is another Ralph. I don't know who this is. I got a super chaser. This is Bunsen Honeydew, and he is limited edition of 200. I don't know who this one is. It's another Kermit. Nope. Sam Eagle. So far I have 8 of the 12 with 2 boxes left. I'm missing Rizzo and Piggy, and then I know Beaker is one of them, and I don't remember the other one that I'm missing. So many freaking Samuels. And another Kermit. Anything unique we can get out of this one? I don't know what this is. Pepe. And Gonzo. Okay, let me look at my photo of what I need and what I have. So I'm missing Beaker, Swedish Chef, Rizzo, and Piggy. And I have the rest of them. So this is, you can kind of see without the glare, the full one. I'm not buying any more boxes. We have 8 unique pins to trade and 8, actually no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 pins that I'm keeping and 10 to trade. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 pins to trade to try to get Piggy, Rizzo, Beaker. What did I say was the other one I was missing? Swedish Chef. On the off chance you have these pins, let me know down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do Disney pin and lifestyle content. If you're not already, hit that bell icon so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. I'm exhausted because I went to the Halloween party last night. I hope you guys are staying happy, healthy, and safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
And you never know what kind of figment you may come up with. Oh, here's my favorite.